You're losing thousands of dollars because of 4 completely avoidable investing mistakes, and it has nothing to do with bad stock picks. I've helped millions improve their finances, and I'll show you how to invest smarter before risking another dollar. You hear about a stock on TikTok, your friends are buying, and suddenly you have FOMO. You rush to buy not because you understand the company, but because everyone else is buying it. That's not investing, it's gambling. Remember the meme stock craze with GameStop and AMC? Sure, a few early birds made money, but most people who bought during the peak hype lost big. Ask yourself, would I buy this if no one was talking about it? Look at what the company actually does, how it makes money, and whether it's profitable. If you can't explain that in one sentence, you're not investing, you're just guessing. And here's where it gets really interesting. When stocks fall, our brains scream, "Sell now before it gets worse." This is our primal fight-or-flight response in action. But panic selling is a sure-shot way to lose money forever. The stock market has bounced back from every single crash. In fact, some of the best recovery days happen right after the worst crashes. Your losses only get real when you panic sell. Zoom out. Instead of staring at daily swings, look at 5 to 10 year charts. You'll see a lot of dips, but also a clear long-term climb. Think of it like a roller coaster. The ride only works if you stay in your seat. This next mistake separates beginners from pros. When you spend your entire paycheck on one lottery ticket, that's what happens when you put all your money into one hot stock or even one industry. If that company tanks or that industry crashes, so does your entire portfolio. Diversify. Instead of betting on one company, spread your money across hundreds. The easiest way to do this? Use broad-based index funds like ones that track the S&P 500. With one purchase, you own pieces of 500 of the largest companies. Even if one fails, it barely matters. What comes next might shock you. By the way, if this video is helping you, please like and subscribe. It helps more people find practical investing tips like this. Made a few lucky wins and starting to feel like the next Warren Buffett? Careful, that's the most dangerous mindset. When markets rise, almost every stock looks like a winner, and it's easy to confuse luck with skill. That's when people stop doing research and make bigger and riskier bets. But here's the reality. Nearly 90% of professional fund managers fail to beat the market. If even the pros struggle, do you really stand a chance? Stay humble. Instead of hunting for the one magic stock, play a game you could actually win. Buy the whole market through index funds. The next piece connects all the dots. Notice a common trend here? All 4 mistakes, chasing hype, panic selling, overloading one stock, and overconfidence, come down to one thing: emotions. Fear, greed, FOMO, and ego. They're powerful, and they're the enemy of smart investing. The real secret isn't picking the perfect stock, it's having the discipline to stick to your plan, even when your emotions scream at you to do the opposite. For the majority of beginners, the smartest move is simple: consistently invest in a broad-based, low-cost index fund. That single move offers instant diversification and grows your wealth for years to come. But to build real wealth quickly, you must earn more and invest more. Watch this video to 5x your income using 3 unwritten rules.